Good afternoon, this is the National Weather Service in Riverton with your updated video weather briefing issued on February 9th, 2013. Here's your morning water vapor satellite imagery. We are in some relatively moisture-starved cloud tops overnight, so that just shows you we could have gotten a lot more snow than we actually did. However, this is starting to change as this area of enhanced moisture starts to move in from the south. The area of enhanced moisture is co-located with an area of enhanced cloud tops or colder cloud tops, that's in the red shades. This shows that we expect enhanced snowfall to continue across this area into the afternoon. Snow amounts so far, we didn't receive a whole lot across northern and eastern Wyoming as expected. This should increase tonight into Sunday morning. We did, however, receive quite a bit of snow in the Lander area, with 8 to 12 inches reported so far, 13 inches at Sinks Canyon, 5 to 9 inches in the Riverton area, with only a trace to 2 inches around Rock Springs as they are underneath that dry slot, 3 to 6 inches to 5 to 9 inches across the western valleys, with slightly more in the mountains. Tonight, as previously mentioned, we do expect heavier snow to move into Casper as this low shifts into the plains. This puts Casper in that favorable northerly flow. Gusty winds are also expected to increase in Buffalo, Casper, the Bighorn Basin, through the Wind River Canyon, and across South Pass. So expect reduced visibility in falling and blowing snow in those areas. Light snow continues on Sunday as the low shifts into Minnesota. Some much colder air will be dropping south in the northerly flow. This is expected to limit the amount of available moisture for snowfall, so we don't expect any more than 1 to 3 inches across the area, probably closer to the 1 inch amount. Here's a quick look at snow intensity. This shows you that we expect several hours of intense snow across the I-25 corridor, with as much as 1 inch per hour expected in Casper for several hours. The storm total snow forecast through 5 a.m. Sunday. Casper, we expect around 8 to 12 inches. Locally higher and locally lower amounts are possible, but that is your average range that we're expecting. 6 to 9 inches in Riverton, so Riverton has received most of its snowfall. There are a couple more inches that are possible, however. Lander has also already received 1 foot, so there could be as much as 2 feet in Lander, since the snow will continue to be heavy through the day, especially as you get closer to the Wind River range. Kemmerer 6 to 8 inches, probably closer to that 6 inch amount. Rock Springs 4 to 8 inches, probably closer to that 4 inch amount. Thermopolis 6 to 9 inches are still possible. On Monday, the low ejects into the Great Lakes region. However, we're still underneath the cold trough. We are expecting skies to begin to clear, so that could drop lows to around 15 below in the western valleys, or colder possible, to around 0 to 5 above east of the divide. Highs will range from 15 to 25 above on Monday. Wednesday and Thursday, another wave approaches as we set up in northwest flow. This wave is expected to be a lot weaker and a lot drier than the current storm system we're seeing right now. There will be cold air trapped in the western basins, so continued cold, even though they are going to get some snow. It will be a little bit warmer east of the divide, with temperatures in the upper 30s possible in Casper, depending on how much snow you get today and how much melts on Monday, Tuesday. Snow is expected to begin across the west on Wednesday and then spread southeast into Casper and Riverton Wednesday night into Thursday. Here's the outlook into mid-February. We are expected to remain cold, and moisture is expected to remain above normal, so expect more snow. Be sure to travel safely this weekend. It should not be a great weekend for travel, so call us anytime if you need assistance with the weather along your route at 1-800-211-1448. We would also like to see your snow reports on Facebook if you have a Facebook account. If not, feel free to call those in to us. Remember to stay safe and enjoy your weekend.